last and but I want to discuss with you is tax terms. And in tax terms, if you want to do USIT staffing, the major tax terms you should know before recruiting. One is W2. W2, there are two types. One is full time, another is contract. In India, we pay all the resources on, we pay all the resources salary per month. Like that, W2 full time is also salary full time in US. In this, company will provide you all the benefits like holidays, leaves. Also, they will provide you mediclaim, 401k plan insurance, eye vision, dental. So these type of facilities they will provide you. Also bench time they will pay you. Bench time in the sense when you are not on project, then minimum food and your accommodation will be taken care by your company. When you talk about W2 contract, there are W2 contract is just like with benefits and without benefits. So most of the companies, 95% of the companies into USIT staffing, they prefer without benefits, W2 without benefits, in which companies will file the taxes, companies will take care of insurance and other parts, but they will not pay you the leaves, they will not pay you the holidays, or they will not provide you other facilities there. Without benefits, yeah, they will file the taxes and everything, but then why, if they are not filing the everything, they are not providing, then why 12%? This 12% is the cost for accounting, HR, payroll software, right? When you are having that consultant on your payroll, you are having a lot of expenses. To cover that, you have to consider 12%, you have to add in the pay rate. Consider if you are paying $50 per hour to one candidate, you have to divide by 100 multiplied by 12. That is the percentage you have to add into that. That is $6 you have to add into 50. 50 plus 6 is 56, which comes to cost to us. And then business development manager should bill the client on that. With benefits, some of the fortune companies give with benefits. And in with benefits, they provide like same features what are given in the full time, like leaves, holidays, then accommodation, food, and insurance. Company to company it differs. To calculate that, they will minimum charge 30% on the pay rate. Means if the rate is 50, then you have to consider like 50 divided by 100 multiplied by 30. That is the pay rate to that candidate. So I am talking about not bill rate. This is a pay rate for the candidate. And whenever you calculate the pay rate, you should always consider, whenever you get the rate confirmation from the candidate, you should always mention in the email, hey, hey Chris, I am confirming your pay rate at the rate 50 per hour on W2 without benefits. Otherwise, after placement, if they ask benefits, you cannot close that candidate. So please be, very accurate on getting the rate confirmation, mentioning that what is the rate and on which tax term you are hiring him. 50 per hour on W2 without benefits. So that if you mention that in the email and if the candidate is confirming, then there is no chance of back out. After that, 1099. 1099 is individual contractor. Who is the individual contractor? Americans like US citizen, green card holders and TN holders. They will do 1099. Why? In 1099, that consultant is an individual contractor on our project. We will not pay any insurance, taxes, or any benefits to that candidate. That candidate will file their own taxes. They will take care of their insurance individually. They can do everything on their own. They are not our employee. They are a contractor for our project. Okay. One example is if you get any services from another company like CCTV, or if you are purchasing laptop from somebody else, so you are not paying that employee's salary, right, of that company. They are coming and set up that all to our office, but we have to just pay for the CCTVs or laptops, not their employee's salary. That are individual contractors who will come and work and go. Here we will not file their taxes or insurance because they are not our employees. In C2C, now see, in USA, OPT EAD, H1B, H4 EAD, GC EAD, these consultants are working with some employer, right? that are all employer visas on which they go to US and they will have that, right? So in that case is when they are working with some employer, and I want that candidate. Now consider XYZ candidate is working with one organization, and I have one direct client with me, and I have one requirement. I can ask that company that, hey, I am having one Java requirement. Do you have any candidate? If they mention that they are having very good candidate in the same location with same skills what we are looking for, we can submit them and we can close for our candidate. Means we can close that candidate for our requirement with the client. In these cases, this is called C2C. Means you are getting the candidate from another corporation and submitting to our client. That is not on our payroll. In this case also, that candidate is not on our payroll. That candidate is on payroll of that company who is holding their visa, H1B. So in this case also, we as a staffing organization are not paying taxes, insurance or anything to the consultant, because that is taken care by the candidate's employer. I hope you understood. W2 is getting the candidate on our payroll, full-time contract with benefits, without benefits. Most of the organizations work in without benefits method. So this is all about tax terms. This is very important part, and if you find any difficulties, please feel free to contact me. And just so you know, I'm starting RecruitGalaxy soon, and my name is Prashant Kiturkar. You can reach me on 9959434793. My email ID is prashant@recruitgalaxy.in. My personal email ID is pkiturkar@gmail.com. And you can subscribe my YouTube channel, okay, Recruit Galaxy. And if you find any difficulties in recruiting, you can reach me directly and you can call me and get the help. I'm very happy to help you on all the recruiting process. I have 17 years of experience into US staffing, and I'm proficient on US IT staffing, recruitment side, OPT recruitment, as well as bench sales, as well as BDM. So I have touched every life of recruitment. So if you need any help, please feel free to contact me, and I will be very easily available to you on my WhatsApp number, that is 9959434793. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.